Line coverage is the coverage of linear features in an environment. The linear features are modeled as one-dimensional segments or curves. The task is to find routes for a team of robots for efficient coverage of the linear environment features. Since mobile robots are limited by resources such as battery life, we incorporate resource constraints into the formulation. Power lines form such a linear infrastructure. They require inspection for maintenance of lines and detection of vegetation encroachment. Road networks also form linear infrastructure. Line coverage can aid in mapping and inspection of road networks. Rapid inspection becomes especially important after natural disasters to ensure access to emergency services. There are several practical benefits of using the formulation. We ensure efficient coverage of required features by optimizing the total cost of the routes. Only the relevant features are covered, and the formulation can handle multiple robots, capacity or resource constraints, and asymmetric costs and demands.